Designed specifically for installation of a double DIN or two single DIN units. Double DIN radio provision. Stacked ISO mount units provision. Contoured and textured to complement the factory dash. Made in USA. Top reviews from the United States. Fit my 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe perfectly. This was installed around the double DIN radio I purchased at Best Buy. It fit perfectly in my vehicle, which is a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe. Perfect fit, easy instructions. This fit perfectly, and the instructions that came with it for taking apart my dashboard were spot on. Was nervous at first buying this because I had never installed a radio in a car that needed so much of the dash removed, but it was simple and all I needed was a screwdriver and panel removal tools.